Is this flour edible? I am so confused, guys. I don't know what to eat first. You know what? My family was usually going here. Like, before pandemic, pre-pandemic, they've said, guys, if you don't eat messy, you're not enjoying your food.
I just love when I feel good about myself. It makes me enjoy all the experiences in life even more. And what makes me feel good is that when I know I take care of myself, I pamper myself with my loved ones, and that includes being mentally healthy, not allowing any toxicity, having a good bonding with the family, friends, loved ones, releasing the negativity, old patterns, old habits, having a good food on your plate, and I'm so happy I could do everything that what I've mentioned a while ago here at New Royce. Look at the place. The place is really perfect for pamper day with your family, and of course, connection with yourself within. While walking, I saw this restaurant called Empire Bar and Restaurant inside the casino. I was so curious, then decided to get inside. Oh, look at the food. Look at the ambience. Look at the place. The place is really good, and my inner child is happy dancing. They have buffet area for the VIP members, and you could also eat here if you want. Just pay it with your cash. Yes, they are allowing cash already. They also provide desserts, smoothies, juice, sodas for sweet lovers or sweet tooth. I am so blessed and beyond grateful to discover this place. Such a perfect place to eat with my family. Special kare-kare with their special bagoong or shrimp paste, white rice, chicken with their edible flowers and potato wedges, condiments, garlic, ketchup, and gravy. Look at their chicken. They look really crispy. Finally, their signature Royce pizza. A lot of mushrooms, cheese, sauce, pizza sauce, and everything.
Guys, this is Royce. Welcome back to my channel. For today, we're going to have a new video. So what is our video for today? We're going to eat here at Empire Bar located at the Royce Casino. There you go, guys. We have so many food that we ordered. We have kare-kare, and we have here the chicken with potato wedges. And there you go, you have flowers here, the edible flowers with their condiments and the sauces. And then we also have here the pizza, Royce pizza. I think this is their signature pizza, guys. So we'll be trying this one because it's all meat. They have ham. I don't know if it's pork. Maybe it's pork. And then there's some mushroom and so much cheese. So, of course, we have rice here, guys. So I'm so excited to try this one. So before we're going to start this video, please subscribe to our channel to be notified to our next video, especially mukbang contents like this. Let's get started, guys. I'm so excited to eat and I'm so hungry because it's already lunch here and I can't wait to try them. So we're going to try first the kare-kare because it's my favorite, and you know I am craving this one so much. And they have here the vegetable, we have the beans, the eggplant, the beef. I ordered the beef, pure beef, because we're not eating pork, right? So we'll be trying the beef kare-kare. So let's try, guys. And there's a bagoong or shrimp paste here. So we'll be trying this one. And I'm so excited, guys. Oh, look at the meat. It's really beef. They use beef. And we'll be putting some sauce here so that we could enjoy the kare-kare mukbang. I love it. They use real beef, guys. And I really love vegetables, guys. So next we'll be trying the chicken. I love their presentation. I like it. I like this. It's a garlic sauce. And we'll be trying the chicken. They have 3 chicken. We'll be trying the gravy. This gravy, guys. So yummy, guys. You know what? My family was usually going here, like before pandemic, pre-pandemic. And today we're free, we can go outside already. So we take the opportunity to go here again and eat their food here. So we'll be sharing the chicken. I really love their potato wedges. It's so yum. Actually, guys, the food that we order is not perfect combination, but I just love to eat this one because why not, guys? It's yummy. There's the vegetable here. I really love vegetable, and there's the beans. It's crunchy. We'll be trying their pizza. I'm going to get the tissue so it will not be messy when we eat this one. Guys, there's so much cheese over there. Love it. We'll be going to dip here on their, what do you call this, the garlic sauce. You could try this one. I love it. So just wait for me because I'm filming some videos on my TikTok. There you go, guys. I really enjoy the food. We're not going to talk here, guys, because I want to enjoy the flavor and the taste of the food here. Look here. More rice. It's quite messy over here, but it's just okay because they've said, guys, if you don't eat messy, you're not enjoying your food. More kare-kare. So more sauce of kare-kare because I love kare-kare, especially kare-kare bagnet. Oh, that's so crispy, guys. This is not crispy, guys, but of course when it comes to beef, you will really taste the flavor of kare-kare. Really party in our stomach, guys. I like this sauce, this garlic sauce. I so love the food, guys. It's so delicious. Their chicken is so crispy. It just tastes like classic, the original one, but the flavor is really good. So I want to eat like this.
Drinks po. Drinks po.
Thank you.
Ito po yung sauce po.
Thank you.
Tabasco.
Yeah.
Hot sauce po.
Thank you. You're going to watch me while eating. So come, let's eat, guys. Enjoy the food. Is this flour edible? When you have so much food served on your table, you can't decide what to eat first. You're confused, but it's just okay. I'd rather have many food in front of my table rather than nothing, right? Right? We love our taste test. so confused, guys. I don't know what to eat first. So yummy, guys. I so love the food here, guys. All in all, the rate that I will be going to give this restaurant is maybe 8 out of 10. So don't ask me why. Why 8? Because I just wanted to rate like 8 out of 10, guys. So all in all, the food is so delicious. I recommend you to eat here after playing at the casino. After playing or strolling, or if you are here for vacation, you could try this here. It's so good. And the place, guys, is new. This is the new building of Royce Hotel. I so love everything here. Even the pool. Before, like 4 years ago, I don't think it's not accurate. I'm not sure about the year, but pre-pandemic, there's no pool here. You could check in, but there's no available pool. Now, I recommend you to go here with your family because there's already pool. You will surely or definitely enjoy here because you could have so much things, recreation, activities, pool, bar, and cafe. You could try everything here. So that's it, guys. I really enjoyed the food that we ordered, and actually I'm full already. So we're going to enjoy this food with my family, and this is the end of the video for now. I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this video, please share it to your friends and your family, or to those people who want to go here or who craves for this food. So share it, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you could be updated with our next video, especially mukbangs like this. Like, we are always hungry, right? And we like to travel, to explore, to eat, so to have fun, guys. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching till our next video. Bye.